Hello, nature boys and girls. This is Lady Flora. What a day. It's been a crazy morning. Lots of weird stuff going on in my department. Lots of departments not communicating well with each other. And lots of weirdness. Programs not working the way they're supposed to work. Things just not functioning. Things getting uploaded incorrectly. It's been crazy. I just needed to come outside and touch a plant. A little Brazilian pepper. You know what? That really does feel better. It's kind of simple, kind of a simple thing, but nature really does make things a little less stressful, a little more peaceful, feel a little more at ease, have a clear mind, can relax, breathe a little easier, take in some oxygen. Just look at all the amazing green, the soothing color of green that's also energizing. Yes, it's very relaxing being outside. I prefer to go outside when I'm dealing with any kind of emotional stress, any kind of stress in general, any kind of depression, any kind of weird frustrating feelings. I highly recommend going outside, going for a walk, working up some endorphins, and just being around nature, connecting with nature, being around creation. It's really beautiful. Even this, not really much going on back here, but it's still beautiful. Sorry, my hair's in my eyes. I'm not sure if you noticed, my videos have been looking a little different lately because I got a new phone and I shoot all my vlogs on my phone, and so it has some kind of weird filter thing going on that I'm still trying to figure out, but I like it. I always think that thing is an anthill, and it's not. It's just a big pile of cement. But it kind of looks like an anthill from far away, but it's not. Yeah, I'm just an enthusiast for nature. I don't always know what I'm talking about, and sometimes my fantasy life overlaps with my real life. My fantasy world and the real world are sort of intertwined. So I encourage you to just take everything I say with a grain of salt and maybe just do some of your own research. Sometimes I think I know something about a plant, and then turns out I didn't really know what I was talking about. Just like the incredible bat flowers video. Yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing great. I'm having a pretty good day now that I've stepped outside. Starting to feel a lot better. I hope you guys are too. It's just incredible the way being outside is good for you. It's good for the soul. Being near plants, being near creation and animals, wildlife. It's pretty awesome. I've got my sunflower umbrella to try and cheer me up on this gray, rainy day. And it's working. And the gray raininess is cheering me up too. And I've got my orange shoes on because I'm dreaming of fall. It's only July and I'm wishing it was fall. Come on, fall. ready for fall. It's a bit early to be dreaming of fall. But fall is my favorite time of the year. Or maybe it's spring, I'm not sure. It's fall or spring. It's probably whichever season I'm closest to, that's my favorite. So yeah, I saw a night heron a few minutes ago. That was pretty awesome. I love night herons. I always seem to see them during the day and also at night. I find that very interesting. They're apparently not nocturnal and not diurnal. They're both. But yeah, night herons are pretty awesome. Sometimes they have the little yellow crown at the top of their head. Sometimes they have red eyes, which is probably a particular type of night heron. I often see some young brown, sort of juvenile night herons. Those are kind of cute too because they always look a little bit confused. Passing by the Lantana that I did a video about a little while back. Let's just stop in and say hello. Hello. Hello, Lantana. Growing wild. I make several vlogs a week. So far it's been about 4 or 5 a week. So I will most likely see you tomorrow, but only if you subscribe. In the meantime, go outside and have a sublime day.